Hello, my name is Michelle Krolicki. For my course design project, I have created a Road to Reading Fundamentals Literacy course for pre-K to K students just starting out on their reading journeys. I have also made this course with the intention of involving parents and guardians specifically to give students support and to aid them with the navigation of the site. If you take a look at the syllabus here, I have outlined the course objectives and goals. Each one aligns to one of the course modules. During the course, students will be learning phonemic awareness, phonological awareness, sight word recognition, practical reading skills, and reading comprehension skills. So it really starts them at the basic fundamentals and scaffolds up towards progressively more advanced skills. By the end, students should be able to read and create simple phonics stories while also answering the comprehension questions about the materials they have read. I have chosen to create the course using the Haiku Learning Management System. I chose this LMS due to its design, friendliness of navigation, and inclusion of features. It has everything I was looking for, including a discussion forum, inbox, assignments corner, gradebook, and pages section. I was able to easily organize my course via the pages section, with each module corresponding to an individual page. On the Module 2 Word Builders page, I organized the course in an easy-to-follow format. Students and guardians can track the progress using the to-do list here, and the class syllabus link here. The course begins with a presentation on the core skills recorded by me via YouTube. I have then included a CVC word families link, which students can easily access via this link here. I then created my own Google Slides interactive game, a popular format amongst teachers for young learners. I have followed this with course skills worksheets, which I have created using Canva. Students may then access additional phonics games and phone apps using the digital resources here. The module concludes with a discussion forum and a formative quiz on the core skills. Each of these components can be accessed on the pink links, or students and guardians may also go up here and access each one through the tabs. On the announcement tabs, I have created a specific Get to Know the Instructor feature to promote a social presence and to encourage the students to get to know me. I encourage students and their guardians to reach out to me via the inbox link here. They can write email essentially using this write link, and I will get a notification when anyone dings me. In the activities section, students can easily access their assignments here. For Module 2, they can access the discussion forum, Word Builders interactive game, and Module 2 worksheets. They may then go down to assessments. The formative assessment can be linked on pages, or they can also link to it here. Then the discussion forum on each module is conducted via this discussion tab. Students can also track their grades and their progress on the gradebooks here, where each assignment has been weighted accordingly by me. I have specifically chosen to develop this course as an extension of my technology project. I chose Module 2 to develop because it's building upon those essential letter sound skills and really challenging students to sound out and read their first words. This is something I enjoyed teaching in my online ESL position, and I wanted to keep exploring it in this project. This module focuses on the beginning middle of the online learning course, in which my presence is still strong and I'm guiding the students and their partners through explicit instructions. Social presence is realized in my interaction and in the discussion forums. Cognitive presence is felt through the self-reflection questions in the discussion forum, as well as through the formative quiz and worksheets. Teaching presence is found through the creation of all these materials, as well as through the comprehensive syllabus. Learning is assessed throughout as I check in on the students. Progress via interactive games and worksheets, self-reflection in the discussion forums, and a formative Module 2 quiz. I am overall happy with what I have created for this project, and I have created a place in which I can easily add more pages and modules here. The module which I have formed gives you a good look into the overall format of the course, as well as into all the essential features that will be used throughout the entirety of the online course. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my recording.